right, let's go. All right. I gotta see you plant. Look, you gotta be able to stop on the down. So you gotta be ready to what? Stop on the down. Ready to stop. Look. Stop. You can't just be running full speed the whole time and not thinking, okay, I may have to stop. You gotta be ready. And guess what? Don't. You can see him straight off. Plant foot. That's your plant foot. That'll shoot you up here real quick. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be ready to look to the side and hit. You know what I'm saying? You go here, it's gonna be pretty much out here. You don't wanna go in there, linebackers in there. I'll pop this thing to the what? Outside every time. You gotta think that this year. Gotta be smart, right?
Down. Ready, go.
Good job. Good job. Run it again. Run it again. Okay. And this time we'll do it. Hey. Quick one. You gotta stay low to do that. You can't be running high. And you gotta be ready for the finish. If you're not, pop that in. Make sure you run out.
Ready, go.
There you go. Good job. Back to back now. He reading it now. He know it's easy now. But I don't know though. We ain't pitch yet. I ain't making pitch yet. Is he gonna fold when it's time to pitch? We will see. Bryce, call for the next episode.
Down. Ready, go.
Yeah! You look! Oh my God! He didn't fold! He didn't fold! He didn't fold! Yeah! John B.
Down. Ready, go.
Oh, that's all right. We got 1 yard though. We got 1 yard. Yard? You don't got to do no push-ups. You good, man. How you need?
I gotta go make some phone calls, but I'll see you at 4.
Okay.
If the weather looks bad, I'll text you. Down. Ready, go.
Edge.
But you weren't in.
I was right here. All I had to do was leading, boy. It was done. Come on, would have been feeding you soup, boy. In a straw. Out of a straw.
I thought you were that way.
No, man. Go.
Down. Ready, go.
There you go. Good job. All right, now, play that.
Come on. Down. Ready, go.
I'm gonna have you like Manziel, man. Guess what? You gotta see them a lot quicker than that. I'm gonna nail into you. Look. You hear? Hey. He's coming close. Gotta get it. Don't wait too much at the last minute. See what I'm saying? Alright? I mean your eyes, boy, you gotta be ready. DN to the pitch stop. Tackle the DN to the pitch. So you gotta get the pitch.
Down. Ready, go.
Good job. Good job. One more. Matter of fact, we're gonna call it a day on that.
One more.
Yeah, we'll do one more. We're gonna do play action tomorrow. We ain't gonna do play action today, okay?
Ready. Down. Ready, go.
Fumble! Oh! Boy, you better say, boy. There you go. Smart. Go.
Don't tackle me.
Yeah, man. your butt. Let's go.
Alright, I need one more. That was sucked.
Last one. Let's go. So what you gonna do? What side too? Alright, they gotta check in with the refs now. Alright, let's go.
Down. Ready, go.
There you go. So look, your eyes gonna bend, and your knees gonna bend. So get right for them, man, because they ain't do what? And look, they gotta be a straight line. You gotta make it easy on that pitch, guys. What? It's possible. Good job.
Just comes right out.
You know your hands get bigger, man. Don't worry about that right now.
Not this season.
You can't control that. Well, shit, you never know. If you just hit two hands, anyway.
Yeah, but I still try to do that.
If you just pitch it out there, just not it. It ain't gotta be perfect. It ain't gotta be like the way I do it. They don't have to flip. Grab that camera for me, Bryce. Stop on. Bring it just like that. Got water. That's all right. I got it. Take it over there for my bag. Woo!
I want to try it. Can we try it real quick?
You wanna try it real fast?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Never done it before.
Yeah, let's try it. Woo! Put that right there. Right there.
Hard?
Stick. Stick. Oh. You come out of the blocks the same way you come out on your elbow. Alright, we're gonna video this. Okay? Let's go. You gotta push off. Hey, the 8th yard is when your head come up. This is how it's supposed to be. Pushing off. Coming up slow. Look at my head. Slow. You gotta have a hop with your bounce. Your hop with off your balls of your feet. There gotta be a hop. See what I'm saying? Hand the eye down to what? Gotta run with your shoulders, Bryce. I gotta get a push off low, staying low. Your head shouldn't come up to the 8th yard. Go. Good job.